Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Hitesh Agarwal. How do you leave questions quickly in the mock or in the CAT? I mean, specifically, we talk about maybe the DLR and the con section. Now, I mentioned something about DLR a few days back. So, for the con, let's start and then move on to DLR. So, I normally say for con, spend around 10 to 20 seconds per question, not more than 20. 10 to 20 questions and read the question. For every question, ensure read. Just don't see and leave it unless you feel definitely you can't solve. But otherwise, just read the question, spend that 10 to 20 seconds, and after that, decide in terms of whether it is solvable or not solvable. Some of them put parameters for selection, for saying that if I want to solve, first of all, I'll check whether it is comfortable, the topic is comfortable, or I am familiar with the topic. Second is, can I solve the question? Third is, can I solve it quickly? If any one of this is negative, then I can leave the set immediately or leave the question immediately. For example, the topic is not familiar, I can leave it immediately. Or I don't know how to solve it, leave it immediately. Or I feel it will take a long time, leave it immediately. But yes, you can't apply these parameters for everything. I mean, there are some people who questions which are maybe unfamiliar type but are easy. So therefore, I normally recommend people to read the set. You will make out whether the set question is tough or easy, and based on that, you decide. It takes 10 seconds. Don't start solving it. The moment you start solving it, you start wasting your time. You should be able to make out a sum is easy or tough just by reading it. That is the skill set that you should. Selection of question becomes very important in the examination. For DLR, I mentioned earlier, it is 1 or 2 minutes. You read a set, spend it 1 to 2 minutes, and then decide whether you want to select a set or not. For Quant, 10 to 20 seconds. That's what I normally say. So if you can, identify difficult level, I think it should hopefully help you to solve the question better. Hope that helps. Thank you.